Hello viewers, welcome back to Tradables. Let's take a quick glance of how market has performed today. So we are taking our application as base to analyze and understand the market movements. So let's see, if we see today, Nifty 50 has closed at 24,276 with appreciation of 144 points, having 0.60% on positive note. So let's see the candlestick view, like candlestick chart. So around 24,000 Nifty open, 24,140 Nifty open, and if you see initially at the beginning of the day we had the pressure of the bears. So then again market took support at 24,000 and it pushed up, and again taking a range. If you see from here to here until 10:30 to around 2 o'clock, market is in consolidation. So we didn't see any specific movement but bounding around that specific lines. But once the market has reached at 100% support, then it went up all the way to 24,300. Let me show how these numbers have derived. So there is an analysis. If we go to the trader view, we can see the number of analysis has given. So all these data points acts as a base for our market analysis. So quickly understanding this Fibonacci analysis, at market has started at 24,140, right? So then it has took a support at all these levels and has reached up to 138%, and it's around 24,276 it closed. So that means this analysis is working good, giving us some sense of how we can understand where exactly market will have the resistance. Yeah, so that's how Nifty 50 is on good note. Now let's see how Bank Nifty is working out. So Bank Nifty has closed with slightly 53 points on a positive side. And let us see what all the stocks has contributed to the banks. Before that, I'll see what all the counters or stocks has contributed to the Nifty 50. So today Nifty 50, all 33 out of 50 are doing good, while 17 out of 50 are on negative end, where Reliance being the major stock, and Infosys, like all IT sector is doing good, steel and cement sector is doing good, pharma is doing good, while we can see there is a slight negative at banks. So same way, let's see, since this is week beginning, month beginning, and so our day, week and monthly analysis will be the same. So moving to the yearly analysis, we can see here, we can get a quick glance of what all the stocks has contributed to the Nifty 50 over a period of year. So ICICI Bank being the major for the positive contribution. So there are certain IT sectors, Infosys, TCS, and also the Trent and M&M, all these stocks are doing good at a year. So then let's quickly move to the Bank Nifty and see which counters have performed well. So today, initially at the beginning, Bank has faced a lot of struggle being in the bearish, while around at 2 o'clock, these two, HDFC and ICICI, pull the market to the positive side. So that's how Bank Nifty ended up with slightly 53 on positive points. Let's see this on chart to have better understanding. So if you see, this is the candlestick chart for the Bank Nifty. So initially it has faced a lot of struggle and it was up to 2 o'clock, it is in the certain range. So there's no positive momentum, but once we have this candlestick formed around 2 o'clock, it just pulled up all the way to the 52,000, and this is because of the stocks that we have seen. So HDFC and ICICI has pulled that negative momentum in the Nifty Bank. So now let's see how IT Nifty is doing. IT Nifty is doing damn good because all out of 9 counters out of 10 are doing positive. Only just LTTS is on negative side. So Infosys and Techem being the top contributors for today. So looking at yearly analysis for IT Nifty, again Infosys and Techem, TCS are on the top end. So IT is really doing good. How Nifty 50, Bank and IT are performing in terms of trends. So this is a short-term trend for Nifty 50 where we are doing below the trend. So that means we need an improvement. While midterm, it is also we are just below the trend. So there's a possibility for performing much better. Let's see how Nifty 50 doing at long-term trend. So it is above the trend. So it is indicating that market is performing good. And I think we are doing good at this since around 28 months. So this is how the trends looks for Nifty 50. Similarly, let's see how Bank Nifty trends are indicating. So if I see short-term trend, that is for this day, we are doing above the trend line. So that means we are doing good. Whereas in terms of midterm, we are below the trend line. So need for more improvement. And from monthly point of view, that is in long-term trend, we are doing very good. We are above the trend line. So same way, let's quickly look at the IT charts. So IT short-term is below the trend line. So let's also take a look at Nifty IT. So at short-term trend, Nifty IT looks although below the trend line, but if you can notice just day before yesterday, there is a huge red candle formed, but we have covered almost 50% of that. So it is performing good in the progress of covering up the previous day's loss. So looking at midterm trend, it is doing good above the trend line, and long-term trend also it is very on a positive note. So now let's see heat maps. Heat maps indicates us how the stocks performing individually. So here we have the sorting order where we can see what all stocks performed good, what all stocks not performed good. So if we see for today, Ultra Cements has performed good, Apollo Hospital has performed good. So looking at negative contributors for today, HDFC Life and Cipla NTPC. So same way we can take yearly view and assess for our investment options. So if you see yearly trend being the leader, so around 122% is like super good. Whereas the negative contributor for yearly is IndusLand Bank at 38% and Asian Paints. Although this looks negative performing for the year, but considering the stock and considering one individual's analysis, these are all like branded companies, right? So if we have that exposure following the news for this particular stocks, ideally these stocks are available at cheaper rates. So it's a good time to invest, but depending on to the one's analysis. So quickly, if I take Bank Nifty, who are the top performers? So Bandhan Bank being the top performer for today and Federal Bank being the negative performer for today. Looking at yearly, 33% being the Federal Bank top performer. I guess this is the one which did. So if we look yearly, Federal Bank is doing the top performer and IndusLand Bank being the negative performer. Let's see IT, what all stocks are doing good today. So Emphasis, Techem, HCL Tech are all performing good today. So same way we can see who are all not performing good. As we have seen earlier, there's the only one stock which hasn't performed good. And looking at yearly view, let's see which stocks has done good. So Coforge, Techem, HCL Tech, Wipro, Infosys, TCS being the leaders in the IT sector are all doing very good. So Persistent and LTIM are the only two stocks which has performed negative for the year analysis. So next let's see ETFs. So ETFs for daily, almost pharma, auto, IT and Nifty, bank Bs are also doing good, just gold Bs being negative. Average if we see it's 0.41%. So all ETFs are good. Looking at yearly, every sector is doing good here, like pharma being the top. Banks, although it is at 8%, but around 6% itself it covers for inflation. So marginally we can say 2% is the only improvement there. But looking at the average 21%. But if we have seen in the previous month, the average percentage of ETFs are around 18%, but we see it went up to 21% today. So it is good sign for ETFs as well. So quickly let's see OI change. So this data is telling exactly where we can see the resistance and where we can take the support. So if you see here, 24,000 is the support. So exactly what we discussed, Nifty took support at 24,000. Also this is like resistance, like around 24,350 it started resistance levels. And also we have seen in the Nifty chart at exactly 24,350 it took resistance. Let us see that chart once again. So this is Nifty 50. If we see this view, here is the support it took, and here is the 24,300 around it took resistance. Although it reached 24,350 level, but there is a slight profit booking we have seen. So although after profit booking, there is a bullish momentum here. So that's how it ended up at 24,280. So we are expecting it further to go up for next, and targeting Nifty around 24,500 for this week and around 25,000 for the month. So let's see how this analysis will work. So net we can say oil and gas sector is doing stable because of the geopolitical conditions. Okay, and considering our GDP is ranging around 5.4% currently. So although we expected RBI to have some rate cuts, but it's unlikely to have the rate cuts. So we expect FMCG sector to perform stable. They might go into the consolidation, so not much hype is expected in those sectors. And one more thing is, like India being a very much cultural country, so considering the current wedding season, we might expect a spike in the wedding related stocks like Raymond, Kalyan Jewellers, etc. So we can have a watch on those kind of stocks. Stay tuned for daily updates to the Tradables channel. So if you like this analysis, please do like and consider subscribing to our channel. And please comment down your analysis or comment down if you have any doubts in this regard. So we'll be happy to cover in our next videos. Thank you.